Hello viewers, today we are going to learn about ending punctuation. What is ending punctuation? Ending punctuation are those punctuation which we will put at the end of the sentence. That's why we call it ending punctuation. There are three types of ending punctuation: full stop, question mark and exclamation mark. Let's learn about these punctuation. It is full stop and the other name of full stop is period. See the use of full stop. Full stop we will use after making a statement, or we can say that when we complete our sentence we have to stop. Okay, for showing stop or for showing pause we have to put this punctuation mark. Okay, for example, my name is Alina. It is question mark. When we will use question mark? When asks question or when you want to know something. For example, what's your name? In this sentence, we have to put question mark because here is a query. In this sentence, there is a query, so we will use question mark. The last end punctuation is exclamation mark. See the uses of exclamation mark. We will use exclamation marks when there is an excitement in sentence, or we can say when there are strong feelings. Strong feelings like anger, surprise, happiness, sorrow, etc. See the examples of exclamatory mark. First one is, what a beautiful flower. In first sentence there is a surprise, so we will put exclamatory mark. Mostly exclamatory sentence start with what or how, but not always. See the examples. She has broken my pencil. In second sentence there is a feelings, there is a sorrow, so we will put exclamatory marks. This sentence is not start with what or how, but there is a feelings, so we will put exclamatory marks. Third one is, I love ice cream. There is also happiness, so we will put exclamatory mark. And the fourth one is, don't tell a lie. There is a anger is a feeling, so we will put exclamatory mark. Use of full stop for advanced learner. As we have discussed earlier, we mainly use full stop after completing sentence or our thoughts, or we can say declarative sentence. Declarative sentence which simply gives you information, fact or opinions. Okay. Full stop shows there is a long pause or there is a stop before starting a new sentence. It says that we have to stop for a while before starting a new sentence in speech and written English. For examples, she went to the market. She bought some fruits. Second one is after initials. Full stop also comes after initials like AMU stand for Aligarh Muslim University, PM stand for Prime Meridian, etc. And the third one is after abbreviations. What do you understand by abbreviations? Abbreviations are the short forms of words or phrases. Full stop mostly used in abbreviations. For examples, PROF is a short form of professor, MR is a short form of Mr, and TR is a short form of doctor. Next, we use full stop at the end of command. For example, shut the door. And the last one, when we will use full stop in number, it is called decimal. For example, I have got 80.8% in maths.